So we've installed Myriad Monitor, and now let's take a look at it. First things first though, we need to go into Myriad here and just check in our settings, Myriad settings and Myriad settings again, that we have ticked down here in this other option, allow Myriad to be controlled, monitored remotely using TCP IP connections. So as long as that's ticked, then both Myriad Anywhere and Myriad Monitor, which we're going to have a look at, will work for you. So this is Myriad Monitor version 4, and it's showing our current playout system and what is going on with the log. Myriad Monitor is designed to either monitor one station or many stations, and you can configure which stations it monitors by the settings in here. Because we're just running this locally, I've just put in the local host IP address here, but you can change that to be whatever you want, the IP addresses of your playout systems. You can configure it to monitor just the full playout system, or you can configure it to show you the various splits you can do using Myriad Network. We're just going to leave it on that, and we're also going to leave it to retrieve the name. This is Myriad Monitors normally used internally, so you just put your internal IP address, or you could use a VPN and VPN into your station and then be able to see all your stations listed there. So we've just got it on one screen at the moment. Just a quick visit across the menus, file and exit, general settings here. This enables you to configure how many stations you see, so we could change that to be 2 monitors side by side, and it'll reconnect, and you can see here that we've now got Hot FM over here, and so you could have, say, your AM station over here, and again you would go into your settings and you'd add in your next radio station here that you wanted to see, and then you see it over here in this corner. So Myriad Monitor enables you to do that. You also have the ability to set a secondary screen, and so you can again see, and there's plenty of options as to how you want to lay it out. You can highlight adverts with difference here in the schedules, so it all helps you to check all your splits, and also just your various radio stations, where they are, what they're doing in the log, etc, etc. So that's in settings. Primary display, you've got a license code as normal, update information, and about. So quite a simple application up here, and Myriad Monitor is exactly that. It just allows you to monitor the radio station. It gives you no ability to change anything, to stop songs, to move songs up and down in the list, that kind of thing, to change this when songs stop, when they start. It really is a one-way street. It's read only on your system. But you can see what songs are in which cart players, so that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Down there you can see when the next seg is going to happen, and also you can see that at the end of this song here it's going to stop, and the jock is going to do some talking between that. So that is Myriad Monitor. Fantastic way of monitoring multiple radio stations, multiple splits as well, all on one big screen or a couple of big screens up in your radio station. Myriad Monitor.